Ready to get your brain buzzing with finance facts? Ever wonder why prices keep going up? It's called inflation, and it's a big deal. Supply and demand, government policies, and even global events can push prices higher. But don't worry, understanding this helps you make smarter financial choices. Stay tuned for more quick insights. Subscribe, and let's make finance fun.
Welcome to Insightful Economics. Today, we're talking about one of the most important concepts in economics, inflation. You've probably heard inflation in the news, but what does it really mean? And how does it impact your daily life? Let's break it down. Inflation is the general rise in the prices of goods and services over time. This means that with the same amount of money, you can buy fewer things than before. For example, if you could buy a loaf of bread for $1 last year, but today it costs $1.20, that's inflation. The purchasing power of your money decreases as prices go up. Inflation is usually measured as a percentage increase in prices, often using the Consumer Price Index, CPI. When prices rise, the cost of living increases, affecting individuals and the economy. There are different types of inflation. First, demand pull inflation occurs when demand for goods and services exceeds supply, pushing prices up. For example, if there's a high demand for cars but manufacturers can't keep up, prices rise. Next, cost push inflation happens when production costs, such as wages or raw materials, increase. A rise in oil prices, for example, increases transportation costs, leading to higher prices across industries. Finally, there's built-in inflation, also called wage price inflation. This happens when workers demand higher wages due to rising living costs, and businesses raise prices to cover those wages, creating a cycle of rising prices. So, what causes inflation? Several factors can drive inflation. One is an increased money supply. When central banks, like the Federal Reserve, print more money, inflation can occur. More money circulating without an increase in goods or services pushes prices up. Higher production costs can also drive inflation, as producers pass increased costs on to consumers. Increased demand can also push prices higher, especially when the economy is growing. Government policies like higher taxes or tariffs can add costs that companies pass on to consumers. How does inflation affect the economy and individuals? For individuals, inflation reduces purchasing power. Your salary or savings won't go as far as they used to. If wages don't rise in line with inflation, you effectively lose money over time. Businesses face higher costs, which can impact their profitability if they can't pass those costs on to consumers. Inflation also impacts borrowing and lending. In times of high inflation, lenders raise interest rates to protect the value of money, making borrowing more expensive for businesses and individuals. Governments and central banks, like the Federal Reserve, use interest rates to control inflation. When inflation rises quickly, central banks raise interest rates to slow the economy, though this can also slow growth. Is inflation always bad? Not necessarily. Moderate inflation can be a sign of a healthy economy. It encourages spending and investment because people are more likely to spend money now if they expect prices to rise. However, when inflation becomes too high or too low, it can cause problems. In summary, inflation is a crucial concept in economics. It affects everything from daily purchases to government policies. Understanding inflation and its causes can help you make better financial decisions. We hope this video made the concept clearer. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Insightful Economics for more videos breaking down complex economic topics. Stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.
Are you excited for what's coming next? Well, you should be. Thank you so much for your incredible support. Each like, comment, and subscription means the world to us. We're cooking up something special for the next video and you won't want to miss it. So stay tuned, keep being awesome, and we'll see you very soon. Until then, take care and goodbye.